political news, industrial news, and entertaining news. Ilan lamang yan sa mga bagay na ating nakakalap each day on our daily basis, considering the fact that some of them are factual or fake. Pero kahit isang beses ba pumasok sa inyong isipan yung tanong na, how does today's information interacts with us? At ang sagot dyan ay because of mass media. Hi, I am Reynold Pidugay, and for today, I will give you a short discussion about the role of mass media and its effect on globalization. Magsimula tayo sa basic. I know some of you knows that song. Why? Because of mass media. Mass media enhanced the culture exchange between each countries. So halimbawa niyan yung music na napakinggan nyo. You see, even though we are in our own state, we still have the knowledge and idea sa music na meron ng ating foreign countries. Next is
ang Canada ang ikatlong bansa sa buong mundo na nagbigay ng approval nito sa nasabing bakuna matapos ang UK at Bahrain.
So, depends na nakita nyo, mass media give image between countries. Ano ba yung balita na meron sa ibang bansa? Meron kayong bagong tuklas? Or baka meron ng gamot sa COVID-19? 100%. Malay natin. You see, ilan lamang yan sa mga examples ng mass media in terms of globalization o epekto niya sa globalization. Pero kahit ganon, meron din tayo tinatawag na current network na marerelate natin sa mass media. One example of that is, yes, the digital media. Digital media, marerelate ba natin dyan yung mga digital devices natin? Of course, dahil pag sinabi nating digital media, connected na yan sa technology na meron tayo in our generation. Example niyan is laptops, phones, tablet as the basic components. Pasensya na wala pa kaming internet. We also have our medium of information, which is the social media.
Me and my jowa.
Sa makatuwid, mass media have a huge impact in accelerating globalization. Our generations have a lots of ideas that can create new things and new discoveries, and in which it sustains our development as a human. Tayo. Think wisely and be a good example. Peace out.
See you drown.